Lexi. I'm here today with Valley Automotive Group, and we are here in North Ridgeville at Touch a Truck with our friends from Valley Ford of Huron. Today, we bought this F-750 dump truck for the kids to explore. So we even got to watch this helicopter land, and now the kids can go inside and see what's inside. So George, what's your favorite truck?
The bus over there.
The bus? That's a good one. That's a good one. So Owen, what's your favorite truck?
A police car.
That's a good truck. All right. What's your favorite truck? It's a pretty color, isn't it?
Who likes the snow?
So what's your favorite truck?
I would say the police car.
The police car? That's a good one. So this wouldn't be possible without Nick from Valley Ford of Huron. So take it away, Nick.
Hey, this is Nick Pfeiffer, Valley Ford of Huron. I've been with the company a little over 4 years now. Today we're at the Touch a Truck event here in North Ridgeville, Ohio. Local businesses, a lot of family and friends out here at the event today. And today we're going to end the event by donating this truck here to the North Ridgeville First Responders.
Thanks for coming with us. We'll see you soon at Valley Ford of Huron.